See, this is the video I'm working on this morning. Going to Kansas City today. Going to be there till 10:30. Then we take off, head to Tucson.
Do you think we can be better?
Got a new tire. We picked up a bolt and had to replace the tire. We're fighting the birds out here. The birds keep wanting to make a nest, and the APU exhaust are in the openings for the rudder hinge. So it's kind of a touch and go battle with them here, chasing those birds off while we're waiting for our passengers. And should be about 45 minutes over to Kansas City. And hopefully we'll be able to find a room for the day. All right. We've got 2 DVD players for the entertainment system and back. These monitors just pull out and they'll drop into the other side right here if you want to do that. They'll move all around the cabin.
Do you think we can be better?
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $5.
Okay, they found us some rooms. Since it's a race day, most of the hotels were sold out, but we finally got some rooms. We can check in now, get some rest before we depart at 10:30 p.m. tonight. That's a good thing. I'm gonna get an Uber now. It shouldn't be more than 15 minutes over there. Okay, let's check it out here. This is kind of cool. Built in 1928. Looks like they modernized it. Okay, look at that. All this old work. Okay, heading back to the airport now. Here's Lucas. I put it in there. Yeah. Just waiting for some passengers now. 2 hours and 50 minutes to Tucson. Well, I just heard from them 20 minutes out. 10:45. It's going to be a late night for us.
Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10, $5.
This today is what I call a recovery day for us. We're not going to do anything, just hang out in the hotel, have lunch and dinner. We didn't even get into the hotel till 2:30 in the morning, our time, Central Time. There's a 747. It's used as a test bed for Rolls-Royce engines. Right next to the FedEx there. Breakfast. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.